Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Audi TT. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the ignition is on. This process is straightforward and will allow you to enjoy hands-free communication and audio streaming. We will cover activating Bluetooth on both your phone and the car, then completing the pairing process. Let's get started with the initial steps to prepare your devices for connection. To begin pairing, access the TEL or phone menu using your Audi TT's MMI controls. Look for an option like Search for New Device or Connect Mobile Phone and select it. Simultaneously, open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your phone is actively searching for new devices. Your Audi TT should appear in the list of available devices on your phone's screen very soon. Once your Audi TT appears on your phone's Bluetooth list, tap on it to initiate the connection. Both your phone and the car's MMI screen will display a unique pairing code. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. The system will take a few moments to establish the link and synchronize. You should then see a confirmation message on your MMI indicating a successful Bluetooth connection. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the Audi TT's MMI system. Sometimes, simply turning them off and on again resolves minor glitches. It's also a good idea to delete any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car to prevent conflicts. This ensures a clean connection. And for an easy way to manage your meals, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.